So let's take a quick look at how to modify the columns in Google Ads. And when I'm talking about the columns, I mean these columns here that have all the different metrics showing how your ads are performing. Now, you can modify these columns in different places. Right now, I've selected the campaigns from over here, and we are looking at the data for the campaigns, right? We can do the same thing for ad groups or ads, or even keywords, which are down here. But each of those are going to have its own set of columns here that show us different information about what's happening with the performance of the ads at that given level. So whether it's at the campaign level, the ad group level, the ad level, or the keyword level, right? So if we, open up the keywords level, we can even see what that looks like and how that's different. So there's different columns here for the keywords themselves, right? So we got like average cost per click, click-through rate, impressions, clicks, cost, conversion value, conversion rate. But I'm noticing that we're missing conversions, cost per conversion, which is kind of interesting. So if we come over here to columns, click modify columns, this is where we'll be able to search for conversions, which is right here. And then it drops it into this list, which we can drag around here. And conversions is probably one of the first things we're going to want to see. Then cost per conversion is right here. That's probably one of the other really important things to see. So then once we've added in some items, some columns basically, into the list here, then we can just click apply. And then that is going to show us these new metrics. So we've got our conversion rate, our conversions, cost per conversion, conversion value, overall cost, clicks, impressions, a bunch of other information. So, there might be other stuff like we want to see the quality score. That's also really important. We can add that into here as well. So you kind of get the idea. Anything that you're not seeing here, you can just add in by modifying the columns right here. The other thing to note is that not everything's going to be available everywhere. So there's like something called search loss impression share from budget and rank and everything. So you can see your search loss impression share from rank at the keyword level, but there is no such search loss impression share from budget at the keyword level. Whereas we will see that at the campaign level. So we see search loss impression share from budget right here on the campaign level. And we also see search loss impression share from rank. So there's oftentimes more data you'll be able to see for the entire campaign versus something like the keywords or the ads, for instance. So that's another thing to keep in mind, is that it's going to actually be a little bit different depending on if you're looking at the campaigns or the ad groups or the ads or the keywords. But either way, I hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of modifying these columns or anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.